with the hardest part behind us, we are now going to cut away this rectangular notch. That notch is 0.5 units from this corner to here, 0.5 units from this corner to here, and from this corner in this direction is 0.4 units. I see that cut away as a rectangular shape in the top view, so that's where we're going to start. Okay, top view. We'll use the offset command. Distance of 0.5. Offset that line up there, that line there. Note, remember, this was an offset of 0.5 as well. Okay? That's going to play a role in the right-hand side view in just a minute. Offset again. This distance is 0.4. Offset this line in this direction here. Now, trim away the parts of everything I don't need. That opens up the notch. And that trims away there. That's the way this part looks in the top view. Now, I can project this information down into the front view. There's only one issue here. This line right here represents this surface. So when I look at this corner, this line is going to be hidden. So how do I change that? Well, there's two or three different ways to do it. I'm going to show you the way I typically do it. If I click on that and highlight it with the grips, the blue dots, and then right click my mouse button and come all the way to the bottom, you see the word properties. Now you can't see it from there. Let's do it this way. Let's try it again. Let's do it in a way that, see if I right click up here. There we go. Get everything on the screen. Properties is here, next to the last one from the bottom. And I click on that. Hang on just a second. I got to drag it over here where we can see it. Here's the properties window. You'll notice that I've got this line highlighted. I go to line type. Now you should have loaded your center line and your hidden lines by now. When I click hidden line, come back over here and I hit the escape button a couple of times, you'll see that my line type has changed to hidden. I'm going to close my properties box and then trim this line here. And that's the way that looks in the front view. Now, to bring this information to the right-hand side view, I have to go to my miter line, and then from my miter line, straight down. Now you'll notice that that line and this object line that I can see are in perfect alignment with each other. However, let me explain this to you. Remember I mentioned the fact that these are in line up here? Well, basically this line runs from here all the way down. This line starts here and runs all the way to the bottom of the part. From here up to this surface, that hidden line in the front view is directly behind this object line there. Remember, anytime I have two lines on top of each other, line precedence says that I show the object line first. So basically the hidden line is going to be behind this line from here to here, so I don't show the hidden line, but from here up I have to indicate this back edge here as a hidden line. Trim. Now, this line is going to be hidden. I can go up to my clipboard at the top of my ribbon and come down to this icon that says Match Properties. When I do that, I can come over and select this hidden line. Notice the paintbrush? I can drag that over here and put that cursor on that line, click on it, and it becomes a hidden line. Now, just to shortcut the process, I know that this line is going to be behind this one as well. This line here is going to look just like this one, so I'm going to use the copy command. Grab that, bring it over here, and now I have successfully put that information into the right-hand side view.